Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy, if you don't know me. This is the Lala synthetic wig from Trendywigs, and my code right now, JD40, instead of 30% off, right now you can get 40% off. So if you need a wig to make your looks a little bit extra, then hit up Trendywigs. And please let me know if you do grab a wig with my code. I get commission on each sale using my code, and I would love to personally thank you for your purchase. This is the Lala synthetic lace wig from Trendywigs, and it seemed like the obvious choice for this look. This look is actually really similar to my Valentine's Day look from last year. That stack is incredible. I can't wait to use it more and do some glam looks with it. I'm so excited. I hope you guys like this look, even if it's not something you would wear, but I would really like it if you guys recreated this look and tagged me at It's Likely Makeup, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.